Whether it's CPU coolers, GPU coolers, fans, or even thermal pastes, Arctic has been producing outstanding PC components for the past 2 decades. The brand's Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 made waves among DIY PC enthusiasts, but despite being an already impressive AIO, Arctic decided to further refine the series with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB. The Pro variant shares many of the same features as its predecessors, including the same pump and VRM fan, but comes with upgraded radiator fans, a wider RPM range, and ARGB lighting. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB boasts a radiator that feels more premium than most, possibly due to its increased thickness of 38mm compared to the more standard 27mm. The pump has been moved to make space for a larger VRM fan, which enhances airflow to nearby components and slides into position effortlessly. Arctic has opted for swivel fittings on the pump and has also modified the bundled contact frame to better cover CPU hotspots. The fans for the radiator aren't the same blowers as before and are instead from Arctic's P12 Pro ARGB lineup, featuring 7 blades instead of 5. These have an RPM range of 600 to 3000, increasing the 360mm model's airflow from 56.3 CFM to 77.0 CFM, and static pressure from 2.2mm H2O to 6.9mm H2O, triple that of its predecessor. While the ability of the radiator fans to spin up to 3000 RPM does mean high noise output, you'd only be using this noise profile in extreme situations. In terms of installation, the process is pretty much identical to its predecessor and as simple as it gets. The fans come pre-installed and ready to go with the RGB cable, and with AMD CPUs, there are no issues to worry about. Now, talking about the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB's performance. I had high expectations considering its predecessor's reputation, and fortunately, it did not disappoint. It delivers solid performance, handling up to 259 watts of max heat load. It even outperforms premium offerings like the Corsair H150i Elite LCD XT by over 9 watts, and comes on par with the more expensive Be Quiet Light Loop 360 AO cooler. As for aesthetics, the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 comes in both black and white variants, with the black one offering a more neutral look that should fit well in most builds, especially if you're not big on ARGB lighting. However, if you're here specifically for the ARGB experience, which is the whole point of this model's appeal, it delivers on that front too. The overall lighting is solid, with good color uniformity, smooth transitions, and little to no flickering or other visual issues. That said, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 checks all the right boxes and proves that there's always room for improvement. There are hardly any drawbacks with this AIO, aside from the radiator fan noise beyond 50% PWM. However, considering how well the cooler performs even at low RPM settings, a custom fan profile should easily keep excessive RPM and noise under control. To sum up, what I like is that it offers excellent performance on AMD CPUs. It has a visually pleasing design with ARGB lighting, no software is required for the cooler to perform at its best, and the installation process is pretty straightforward. On the downside, the fans can get loud at max RPM. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos.